The Templars desire to understand the nature of these artifacts. Their spies have called upon many doctors and other learned people in New York.
They have also approached many tribes with questions.
Yeah, they've been showing that manuscript far and wide. No one can read the strange writing or understand the images. We do have a name, though.
We learned that Lawrence Washington sent out the manuscript.
Lawrence Washington. Businessman, Virginian politician, and high-ranking Templar.
Ah, yes. I recently heard he was back from the West Indies. One of my men saw his major domo pick up a strange package.
Then that package will be delivered to him promptly. Shay, figure out what it is and find Washington. And when you do, learn all you can.
I'll prepare the Morrigan.
Captain has the helm!
Well, if we've any luck, that ship will lead us right to him.
I make my own luck, Liam. And Washington is running out of his.
The foe patrols these waters closely, Captain.
Floating cargo!
Loose all and trim sharp to the wind. Ease off the wind. Ease off the wind. Haul it all sail. Loose main sails.
Raise those sheets! Let's move!
There. Aye. There she is. All right, man. Time to be quiet.
Lawrence Washington is a powerful businessman, a slave owner, and a leading Templar. We lost track of him about a year ago. I recently learned he was in Barbados, but I haven't been able to confirm that. Now
Now you think he had something to do with the theft of the artifacts, don't you?
Without all she'll take. I wouldn't put it past him. Haiti's a short voyage from Barbados, and his return to the colonies certainly coincides with the arrival of the artifacts. We cannot let the Templars get control of these colonies. Whatever happens, Lawrence Washington must not survive.
I'll make sure he doesn't. Short sail! Get off the squall!
Turn off the wind! Weather eye open!
More sail! All sail!
Studs up! Studs up!
Mates out! Let's go! All sail! She'll take it!
Loose tops and royals! Some sort of cargo there, sir! Fatten those stays!
Reef the topsails and gallants!
Blockade, Captain! This won't do. Shay, you must follow that ship on land.
I'll do that. Bring the Morrigan around another way.
Aye, Captain.
Loose
Track
tops
that
and
package
royals.
and find Washington.
Reef the mains! Clew up gallants!
Get them aloft! Douse all sail!
Be about it!
And remember what I said, Shay. Washington must die.
Yeah. Yeah.
Aye.
I saw a giant bear the other day.
Well, it's a part of the local wildlife.
There are monsters living in our backyard. Why did we choose to live here?
Now that the British are here to stay, maybe we can get some decent food for a change.
You transferred here from Boston, did you?
Say that to the Prince of Jack.
It was him. You there!
You there! Stop! Done for now. You! Stop! I will have your head. Have a grenade! Oh, attack from all
What's this? A rifle?
You there! Stay! Where you are?
How can that be? It makes no sound. Thanks for the present, Master Washington.
This is a strange surprise. Not quite what I was expecting. Now I must find Washington and interrogate him.
In my sights, clear as day. Fish in a barrel, mate.
I need to get to Washington first. Then I'll worry about the artifacts.
Thank you, sir. I don't think it was us who did it. Nonsense! If it wasn't us, then who?
Brother, are you sure you shouldn't be in bed?
I am fine, George. Be a good host for my sake. Go to the wine cellar and get something special for our guests.
I will. Gentlemen?
My brother is a bright spot in a troubled land. If I may make one request before I depart this life, please leave him in peace. He should have nothing to do with the troubles of the Templar cause.
We all respect that sentiment, sir.
You have my thanks, gentlemen. Master Smith, are you ready to leave on your voyage?
Aye, sir. I shall return with answers.
Master Wardrop, are you likewise engaged with the manuscript?
Yes, sir. We will soon know its meaning.
Then I bid you take your leave.
Washington can barely stand on his own 2 feet. Better be right about it, Liam. Because I'm about to murder a dying man.
You are too late, assassin.
It's never too late to ruin Templar plans, Master Washington.
But my plans are already in motion. Even leading you here has given my allies time to escape. Thank you for making my end a quick one.
And thank you for revealing your master plan, you scheming snake. Damn it! I'd better hurry.
Liam, I hope you brought the ship around.
He's trying to give us the slip!
Someone call the guards, quick!
Keep him guessing. Oh.
Is that a ship mortar? That's not sported!
I'll make you a good boy! Who you stop bloody? He's dead in me side! Bloody up, lads! He's trying to clear!
Clear shot on it.
You're down to the ship, Captain!
Captain has the wheel.
Get the man! Up! Laser sticks!
Out the topsails!
Blew up! Blew up!
Break
Loose and trim too!
Lawrence Washington is dead.
You look disappointed.
The sickly way that man looked. He would have been dead in a month anyway. And 2 other Templars got away. They're looking into the manuscript and box.
Did they have the artifacts?
I don't know. Perhaps. I can't be sure.
Then you did what was right by the Brotherhood. You'll find the objects later. Cheer up, Shane. It's a rare day we can sow such chaos among the Templars.
Perhaps. But to hear Washington speak, it didn't sound like they'd be too put out by the loss.
Well, that's what he'd want you to think.